Hello everyone. Okay, today we have one 30-minute mission kit to unbox. These are VERDENOVA imitation. So here you can see got a 3 type of heads. Then got weapon here, the backpack info and the action hand. So actually you can customize with a wing unit to become something like this. So this one is a front image, rear image. Then they got like connector, multi-joint connector for you to customize the thing with 30-minute mission kits. For see what we have inside here. So manual. Got a C1 mostly for the inner frame or inner frame, and some is for the hand gesture. This the weapon, katana and gun, and I plate here one piece only. And this is the connector for you to customize. And it's A2 is and A1. So here some for this is for the pair, like a weapon here got 2 and legs part. And we got B1 and B2 for the armor. See here. Okay, and the middle one is I think for the legs and hands armor, and this one for the backpack, and this one I think for the body of backpack. Okay, that's all for the runner. So you can go through the manual. So here is manual VERDENOVA imitation, and this is the list for the runner. And if you see the first page here already complete to build the kit. This already have like the head also got 2 type. The first one is like 2 eyes, normal one is a second one is a mono eye, so you need to choose which type of head you want. And this are the body parts, waist, arms, shoulder and legs, and below here is a backpack and weapon. So this page already complete, but this one we more detail, got more info on the runner, which type of runner you use, and more big image lah. So the body unit, waist unit, and here the leg parts, arms, shoulder and right arm or left arm. Just move these parts and the hand here, and complete. This is a backpack, and the weapon here you can attach to the backpack. And this is docking means for the backpack you attach to the main unit. You got some parts you need to dismantle and attach to the main unit. Okay, and the connector got 2 option for you to do docking, just direct docking to the main unit, or got one connector for you if you want to use this one. Okay, it's a weapon, got katana, gun and sword here. And you can see here you got 3 type A, type B and type C. See here you got type A for the katana, type B the gun attached to the backpack and pull to forward here. Type C is the main unit hold the gun. So this type A, you can see here the instruction for you to do the type A. Then this is type B and this is type C. So this is if you want to customize some sample, and got option parts here, and this another main unit here. Okay, that's all for unboxing VERDENOVA IMITATIon. So we will do the speedbook and review to you later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.